Hi everyone, welcome to North Campus Essential Calculus Problem Series. In this series, we solve important calculus problems step by step, making sure every concept is clear and easy to follow. And in this lecture, we will solve the integral of tangent square of x. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. First of all, let's write the integral again. Integral of tangent square of x dx. Integral of tangent square of x dx. We know that tangent prime of x is equal to secant square of x. You should know that. And because tangent prime of x secant square of x, it's very important to rewrite tangent square of x as secant square x minus 1. If you do not remember this identity or this derivative, it's not possible to evaluate this integral. So you should know this. If you forget that tangent square of x is secant square of x minus 1, you can do this. Tangent square of x is equal to sine square of x over cosine square of x. And sine square of x is equal to 1 minus cosine square of x. Then divide by cosine square of x. And this will be equal to 1 minus cosine square of x minus cosine square of x over cosine square of x. And as you see, this is 1, and since 1 over cosine x is secant x, then this will be 1 secant square of x minus 1. Okay, let's solve the integral. We have the integral of tangent square of x dx, and we will write secant square of x minus 1 instead of tangent square of x. Secant square of x minus 1 dx. Let's split this integral into two parts, and this will be equal to integral of secant square of x dx minus integral of 1 dx, but we don't need to write 1 here. Okay. Since secant square of x is the derivative of tangent x, the integral will be equal to tangent x, and integral of dx is x, so the integral becomes tangent x minus x. And since this integral is an indefinite integral, we add a constant c. See you until the next video.